students, good morning. In the last class we are completed arithmetic progression. Next one is geometric progression. Okay, what is mean by arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means it is a sequence in which the difference between the term and its preceding term is constant. Okay, geometric progression means a geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio of a term and its preceding term is constant. See, only the difference is in the arithmetic progression, difference in the geometric progression, ratio. We have to consider the ratio of the term and its preceding term. Okay, that constant term is known as common ratio, that is denoted by R. In case of arithmetic progression, common difference denoted by D. In case of geometric progression, common ratio denoted by R. Ratio, okay, R. See, for example, 2, 4, 8, 16. See, 4 by 2, 2. 8 by 4, 2. 16 by 8, 2. We are getting the same common ratio. Okay. See, next example. 2, 8, 32, 128, so on. If we consider the ratio of term and its preceding term, 8 by 2, 4. If we consider 8, 32, 32 by 8, 4. Next, 32, 128, 128 by 32, 4. Okay, we are getting the common term, that is common ratio. Okay, only one difference in AP and GP. In case of AP, that is a difference. In case of GP, ratio. We have to consider ratio. Okay. Similarly, here also getting two formulas, nth term and sum of n term. See, nth term of a geometric progression. Okay. Nth term is denoted by Tn. Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. Okay, A means first term, R means common ratio, N means number of terms. Okay, nth term is denoted by Tn. Tn equal to AR power n minus 1, where Tn means nth term, A is the first term, R is common ratio, N means number of terms. Okay, next, what is the general sequence? See, in case of arithmetic progression, A plus D, A plus 2D, like that. Okay. In case of geometric progression, see here, Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. Okay. Therefore, T1. T1 means n equal to 1. A into R power 1 minus 1. R power 1 minus 1 means 0. R power 0 is 1. 1 into A. T2 equal to A into R power 2 minus 1 equal to A into R. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, T3. A into R power 3 minus 1, that is AR square. T4. A R power 4 minus 1, that is AR power 3. Okay. What is the last term? That is Tn. AR power n minus 1. Therefore, the general sequence is given by AR square, AR cube, so on, AR power n minus 1. This is the general sequence of GP. Okay. See here, the general form of a GP is given by AR square, so on, AR power n minus 1. Okay. Next, sum of n terms of a geometric progression. See here, two formulas, when R is less than 1, when R is greater than 1. Okay. In first case, if R is less than 1, then Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. If R is greater than 1, then Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay. These are the two formulas to find out the Sn, means sum of n terms of GP. Okay. See, one extra formula in this one. sum of infinite terms of a GP. Infinite means what? Uncountable. Okay, it has infinite number of terms. Then Sn are considered as S infinity. S infinity means sum of infinite terms. Okay, then S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Okay, we are neglecting the number of terms n. Okay, we don't know the number of terms. S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Okay, this is about geometric progression, nth term and sum of n terms, sum of infinite terms. You have to remember these three formulas. Okay, next move to the example problems. First one, examples. First one, find the fourth element of GP 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, so on. We have to find out the fourth element, means T4. Okay, solution. First write down the given data. Given A, first term A equal to 1. R means common ratio. Second term by first term. Second term is 1 by 2. First term is 1. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. We have to find out the nth term, means n equal to 4. Okay, we have to find out T4. T4 equal to how much? Okay, we know that nth term of a GP is given by Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. This is the nth term formula. Okay, now substitute the values. T4 equal to A equal to 1, R equal to 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. N is 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 1 into 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. Okay, see, this is the fourth term. T4 equal to 1 by 8. Already they are given in the question itself. Okay, next one. Example 2. Find the ninth element of GP 0.3, 0.6, 1.2, so on. Here also we have to find out the ninth term of a GP. Okay, first write down the given data. Given A equal to 0.3, R equal to second term by first term. Second term is 0.6 divided by first term is 0.3. 0.6 by 0.3, that is 2. Okay, we have to find out the ninth element. Therefore, n equal to 9. T9 we have to find out. Okay, now same procedure. We know the formula. Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. T9 equal to A value is 0.3 into R value is 2. N minus 1. 9 minus 1. 0.3 into 2 power 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, 0.3 into 2 power 8 is 256. 256 into 0.3 is 76.8. Therefore, T9 equal to 76.8. Next, third one, example 3. If the second term of the GP is 6 and fifth term is 162, then find GP. So here we have to find out a geometric progression, they are given second term and fifth term. Okay. In order to write down GP, we have to find out the values of A and R, first term and common ratio. Okay. By using given data, first find out the values of A and R. Okay. First write down given data. Second term of a GP is 6, means T2 equal to 6. T2 means second term, AR equal to 6. Okay, AR power 2 minus 1, that is 1. AR equal to 6. Consider this as equation 1. Again, fifth term, that is T5. T5 equal to 162. Okay, T5 means AR power 5 minus 1, that is 4. AR power 4 equal to 162. Consider that as equation 2. Now, divide equation 1 and equation 2. Otherwise, equation 2 by equation 1. So, equation 2 by equation 1 implies equation 2 is AR power 4 divided by AR equal to 162 by 6. AA gets cancelled, R power 4 by R. 1 R gets cancelled, remaining is R power 3. R power 3 equal to 162 by 6, that is 27. R cube equal to 27. We have to write down in terms of cube. Okay. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. See here, since the powers are equal, bases are same. Therefore, R equal to 3. Okay. Now, we have to find out the value of A. Okay. Consider equation 1. Equation 1 implies AR equal to 6. A equal to 6 by R. A equal to 6 by R is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, A equal to 2. Now, we know the values A and R. Okay. Therefore, the GP is, what is the general sequence? General form A, AR, AR square, AR cube, so on. Okay. A is 2, comma, 2 into 3, comma, 2 into 3 square, comma, so on. 2, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18, comma, so on. So, this is the required GP. Next one, fourth example. The fourth element is square the second term and their element is 27. Sorry, and third element is 27. Find the GP. Okay, first write down the given condition. Fourth element is square the second term, which means T4 equal to T2 square. Fourth element is square of the second element. Consider this as equation 1. Again, third element is 27, which means T3 equal to 27. By using these two conditions, we have to find out the values of A and R. Now, T4, equation 1, consider equation 1. T4 means what? A R power 4 minus 1 equal to A R power 2 minus 1 whole square. T2 is A R power 2 minus 1. A R cube equal to A R whole square. Okay. A R cube equal to A square into R square. Okay. Now, see here, R cube by R square equal to A square by A. R cube by R square is R. A square by A is A. Therefore, A equal to R. R equal to A. Both the values are same. Now, consider equation 2. Equation 2 implies T3. T3 means A R power 3 minus 1 equal to 27. A R square equal to 27. Here A equal to R. Therefore, R into R square equal to 27. R cube equal to 27. 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay. Since the powers are same, bases are equal. Therefore, R equal to 3. Now, therefore, the GP is, general form is AR square, so on. A value is 3. R value is also 3. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 square, comma, so on. 3 3 is 9. 3 square is 9. 9 3 is 27, comma, so on. So this is the required GP. Thank you, students.